Hey guys, Jamie here at Thor Off-Road, and here we are again. Carli install gone wrong. I mean, if you're gonna charge guys to put these parts in, and you're gonna do it right, I suggest you do the things that actually matter, like, I don't know, the little things, the things that make a difference. The reason why we do this, I'll tell you what, let me show you some other stuff that's wrong with this truck. Now, by no means are we perfect, but this one is over the top. Guys, this is not where you mount an air pump to run your Carli long travel airbags, nor do you run your airlines and zip tie them to the rear differential brake lines and ABS lines, or do you over torque the top bushing on the shock so that the bushings tear out of it. Not to mention that this shock is orientated wrong. Per Carli's instructions, it should be the other way. Let's move around back here because it gets better. Carli's nice enough to send replacement U-bolts because you know, they're really one-time use, but this guy's opted to use the factory ones, reuse them. No weld. No weld. This isn't important. I mean, you don't need to put this back. That's no big deal. What else? This one's over torqued as well. Bushing's busted. Factory U-bolts. Instructions not followed. Okay. One thing about Carli, you'll find out the instructions are pretty good if you actually read them. Not saying everybody's perfect. Not saying everybody doesn't make a mistake. That's unacceptable. Up front, brake lines are backwards. No grease. These are metal on metal contact, serviceable. This is loose, not even tight. Wrong bolt used. Brake line over here is backwards. This gets good too. Something simple as a bump drop bracket. Both of them backwards. This goes to the other side. If you look on this side, you can see, even though this truck is at full droop, the full droop is what we do this for. Contacting the coil because the bump stop drop is backwards. Guys, look. This stuff is expensive. This is the best suspension on the market. If you can't simply follow the instructions, like, I don't know how many of these videos I have to make before you start realizing that paying somebody to do a pro job, paying somebody that knows what they're doing, find a Carli dealer near you. You can't find one, call me, I'll find one for you. There's good guys in every town, and I've talked to a lot of them. They all do a good job. This is unacceptable. You get what you pay for. Give me a call. Thor Off-Road. I'll find you somebody. Don't let this happen to you. Don't let this be you.